Hi, my name is Darla Moore, and I'm an analytical technician with McGeehan at the headquarters in Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of determining the percent concentration of 300 LF. We're first going to start by pulling a 2 milliliter sample of our 300 LF. We're going to remember to, using our 2 mil pipette, we're going to pull from the center of the sample. I'm going to remember to wipe the pipette. And we're going to be placing the 2 mil sample into a 100 milliliter volumetric flask. We are now going to dilute the 2 milliliter sample to 100 milliliters using deionized water. You want to remember to rinse down the walls of the inside of the volumetric flask. I'm going to place a stopper in the volumetric and just invert carefully to mix because the 300 LF does have a foaming property to it. We're now going to use the UV spectrophotometer in order to determine the percent concentration of the 300 LF. I've already turned on the UV spectrophotometer to 272 nanometers and zeroed it with deionized water. I'm now going to place the sample in the cuvette for the reading. I'm going to make sure that we rinse out the cuvette with the sample before filling it up. And then we're going to wipe down the cuvette to remove any liquid or sample that may be on the outside that would create a false reading. And then place it in the spectrophotometer and close the door tightly. And the absorbent unit of 0.681 will be recorded for the calculation in determining the percent concentration. Utilizing the data produced by the percent concentration test, we will take the absorbency unit put out by the UV spectrophotometer times 32.14, which will give us the percent concentration of the 300 LF. All the step-by-step processes and the calculations can be found on the data sheet, which also can be found on the McGeehan website.